Woo! All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Back to Basics Math. Remember, you can download this handout. I forgot what it was for a minute. You can download this handout with the link below in the description, so please do. Go ahead and perform all the operations, perform your mathematics. Come on back and see how you did, all right? So let's talk about what's going on here. We got this little poopy Max. Hello, Max. Woo. All right, so Max needs to get to the bowl of food. Max is hungry. Max ran away. Max needs some food. All right, so notice we have distribution and combining like terms. This is where you start, so you perform this problem. This problem's answer is that path, or that path. Okay, so it's one of those three paths, all right? So let's find out which one. The first thing I'm going to do is I always perform my distribution. So I'm going to go ahead and perform that. That's 3 times x and 3 times 7. Notice there's no number in front of x. That means it's a 1. So 3 times 1x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. And then I just keep writing the rest, like so. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms. So what I notice is I have those terms that are like 3x plus 4x is 7x. And then we have 21 minus 20, and that's plus 1. So the final answer is 7x plus 1. So this square went this way. And now I perform this mathematics. Okay, so when I perform this mathematics, I'm going to do it on a separate piece of paper because, you know, they got a little crowded in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on this piece of paper right here. Okay, so distribution, 2 times 5, that's 10, good job. A positive times a positive is a positive, and then 2 times 9, 18. Very good. Now, you must be diligent here. This minus goes with that 5. So I'm distributing both of those, and it's like distributing a negative 5. So negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so that's the distribution. The distribution is done. I have x terms that are like, and I have constant terms that are like. Notice how I always take the operation in front with it, all right? 10 minus 5 is 5, and then the like part is x, right? You're just counting up how many you have. There's no x here and no x here, so those are called constants. 18 plus 30 is 48. You may not combine those because that category is x, that category is constant, and they are not like terms. So let's look for 5x plus 48. Woo, we got it. All right, so I'm going to follow the path down. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and perform this right here. Oh, that is tricky. That is distribution of negative 1. Notice how there's no number, right? That means it's a negative 1. Negative 1 times positive 8 is negative 8. Negative 1 times positive 1 is minus 1. And then I just write the rest. Okay, let's combine our like terms. That's like that because they have the same category. What's the category on those two yellow terms? X, very good, very good. And then we have minus 1, minus 17. So negative 8 plus 5, you have more negatives than positives. There's 3 more negatives, and the category is X. 1 negative and 17 negatives is a total of 18 negatives. That's my final answer because those are not like terms. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is right there. I got a little scared. I didn't see it at first. All right, so I like to color in the box. And I like to color this. I like to not look at the answers in the path until after I'm done doing the problem, because then I can really see if I did it right. Instead of letting the answers guide me, I kind of just do the whole thing and then see if my answer's there. And if my answer's not there, that means I made a mistake. I'm going to go back and try again. All right, so here we go. Notice you got distribution. Actually, you got distribution twice. You got it there and there. So let's go ahead and get that distribution in, because we are performing the order of operations. We must do multiplication before any addition. So we are performing the order of operations. When we simplify expressions, we are always performing the order of operations. Distribution. Woo! Negative 6 times 1x is negative 6x. Negative times a positive is a negative. 6 times 5, dirty 30. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to distribute the 3 through. 3 times 4 is a positive 12. And plus plus is a plus. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, let's combine our like terms. Hey, this is like this. And this is like this. Okay, so negative 6 plus 12. If I have 6 negatives and 12 positives, I take 6 negatives away from those 12 positives, and I'm left with 6 positives. Negative 30 plus 30, everything cancels out. So it's like plus 0. But what's 6x plus 0? That right? 6x. I hope it's here. Woo! Let's go. All right, we're going down. We're getting close to that food. Max can sniff it out. Max can smell it. He's a hungry boy. Let's get him that food. Let's get him that food. All right, so now I'm going to perform this. Okay, notice that there's just combining like terms. Okay, I can do this without the paper. X squareds, there and there. 5 minus 9. Do I have more negatives or more positives? More negatives, that's right. 4 more negatives, and the category is x squared. You never change the category when you're adding and subtracting. So important. And then I have plus 8 minus 10. More positives or more negatives? That's right, I have more negatives. How many more negatives are there? So 8 of those cancel out with 8 of those. 2, I heard you. And the category is x. Well, I'm glad we didn't go this way, because we wouldn't be able to, we'd go back where we started. So that's good to know we're getting close to the food. Ooh, Max's tail is a wiggling. He can smell it. All right, let's hope we just go to it. This boy is hungry. We're just combining. Oh, no, we got distribution here. We got some distribution. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to write down my x squared plus 8. This is distribution of negative 1. So negative 1 times x squared is negative 1 x squared. You can show the 1 or not. It doesn't matter. Negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times, oh, let's do the rainbow. 1 times 12 is 12. All right, let's combine them. Combine them if they like. That is like that. 1 minus 1, 0. And then we got 8 plus 12. I think you know what this is. What's 8 plus 12? Sweet, 20. 0 plus 20 is 20. Okay, we're going up. We're going up. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I love this question. How many terms? Okay, so we're going to count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, terms are separated by addition and subtraction. Oh my gosh, we're getting farther away. Poor Max. I think he's a little confused about what the goal is here. All right, and then we got 5. Okay, we're back to combining like terms. I did like that question, though. That was a nice question. I hope you understood it, right? Just counting the number of terms. Terms are separated by addition and subtraction. All these terms are like, literally all of them are all x's. So let's combine them. 2 plus 9, 11. Very good. 11 minus 5, 6. Very good. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 plus x? That's x. Let's go. I didn't even need the extra paper. All right. Is there an x? Oh, we're getting closer. Oh, I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. We're going to be eaten. Let's go. Okay, identify the constant term. That's the term that doesn't have a category. 23. Let's go. We ate. Good job, Max. Good job. All right, good boy, good boy. Okay, good job, everybody. Max is happy. We're happy. We completed the worksheet. Stay strong. Do your math every day, and you will get good at it. Math is important. All right, be good. You're wonderful. Bye.